Flowstar Daddy, yes, of course. AJ, your golden birthday is coming up. You've done so much for this community. It's really amazing what you've built here. I'm so incredibly honored and grateful to be here, talking, to be spending time with you, and to be doing my part in, building up the community to it's amazing place that it's in right now. So AJ, I just want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart. I hope you have an amazing birthday. Yeah.
Oh, AJ. Is he up here though? Sorry, I just saw him walking around. You have given me the opportunity of a lifetime. I am so extremely grateful for you. I didn't see much of a future for myself, and now I see a very, very bright future for myself because of you. So, thank you.
AJ, I love you, brother. Happiest of happy birthdays. It's your golden birthday. I hope you have an amazing time, and I'm considering this part of the celebration because truly this has been like a celebration of life, and to have been able to share that with you over the last few years has just been amazing. So yeah, much love, brother.
Happy birthday, AJ. Thank you so much for this wonderful community you've given us as a community. There's truly no one else I could see like creating this incredible community of giving and just like receiving kindness from everyone. You really are like the true patriarch of this beautiful community, and we love you so much. So thank you.
Oh my God, AJ, I don't even know where to begin. Like, you've honestly impacted my life in so many ways. This is like a dream come true for me. I didn't even know I would be here. Like, this is something I've been manifesting for so long, and the way that it came out of the blue was just like incredible. So I really appreciate everything you've done for me, and I hope you have the bestest Gemini birthday ever. I love you so much. Mwah.
Happy birthday, AJ. You're amazing. This community wouldn't be what it is without you. You've brought this movement. You've created this toy that has brought a whole movement in the rave community, and it's slowly growing to the rest of the world. And I mean, it's been in the rest of the world, but like the way it is leveling up is insane, and I am so grateful to be a part of this. So thank you for everything you do.
I'm excited to float out with you guys. We're gonna be working on some boomerangs with that wind, so be prepared.
AJ, happy birthday. I want to tell you how extremely grateful I am for how good you've been to me. You have made me feel like a part of something. You've made me feel special. You've made me feel loved. You've given me so many people in my life that I couldn't have even imagined meeting before you. So I just want to say overall, with the most gratitude in my heart, thank you so much.
AJ, happy birthday. I can't even begin to describe how grateful I am for you. Like, you've made my dreams come true, and it's so cool because I think like everyone relates, but just getting to like, I'm crying, getting to like hang out with everyone and everyone that I've looked up to like the past like 2 years since I got my first Flowstar. Like, it's just so cool that we're all here, and like there's just so much to be grateful for, and I love you, AJ. Wish I could give you a hug right now. I will later after lunch, but yeah. I appreciate you. You're doing amazing. You're spreading love, and that's all that matters.
Happy birthday. You are such a beautiful soul. You've changed my life in so many ways, and I will always be forever grateful for you. You've opened up so many opportunities in my life, and I can't thank you enough for just being the person that you are, for constantly growing not only the brand, but yourself, and spreading kindness and love. You truly stick to your mission behind the brand, and I can't say that that's true for a lot of business owners. So being able to witness that from the very beginning to multiple years later to sitting here now and talking about your birthday, you're truly a one-of-a-kind person, and every single person that I've ever talked to about you has said the exact same thing. So from the bottom of my heart, thank you for the love and just for taking care of me as a person, as a videographer, giving me this crazy opportunity to just document everything and to be the one, but behind it all. So I have nothing but love and respect for you, and I'm so excited to see what we create together and here in the near future. So happy birthday, brother.
Happy birthday, Slay J. I love you so much. Thank you for genuinely changing my life. I know you hear that probably every single day from multiple people, but from me to you, just thank you for everything you've done for me and for the community.
So critical.
Well, since my birthday is 2 days after him, happy birthday to us. I wish I could spend it with you and with the team and everything like that, but wish you the best for your birthday. Wish you all the good wishes and sending you so much love and everything like that, because I'm just so thankful for everything that he's given me for the past 2 years.
AJ, thank you. First of all, just thank you so much for everything you do for everyone. I mean, I've never met someone that's so generous. Like the meetups the last few days, you've given everyone stars. He's brought all these people so close together. It's so incredible what he's been able to create in such a short amount of time, you know. I'm just so thankful for him. I'm so thankful that he's introduced me to all these people, that he's including me in this house, for the community he's built. It's been such a blessing, and it truly has changed my life.
Yes, AJ, thank you. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna cry. Thank you so much for everything, seeing me, seeing my passion and my love for this project and this community. It means the world to me, and you mean the world to me. You've allowed me to see so much life and experience so much, and I couldn't have done it without you. Thank you so much. You are amazing. You are so loved, and thank you, brother. Oh my God. And happy birthday.
The mission of the brand is building a community, spreading kindness and gratitude through the power of flow. It's really cool, you know, building this brand over the last few years. I grew up an only child, and I always wished I had all the brothers and sisters I do now. And when I say Flowstar family, I don't take that lightly. It's a really deep mission and passion project for me, and I just appreciate everyone for being a part of that community creation, creating a safe place, healing our inner child, and just, you know, spreading good vibes and gratitude.